The rain has been falling steadily, and it's quickly caused problems on multiple roads across New York. You can see just how high the water is in this video from the Cross Island Parkway. Eyewitness News reporter Sonia Rincon spoke to some frustrated drivers on the sawmill. She's joins us live now over the Bronx River Parkway. She's in Woodlawn. Sonia?
Yeah, Sandra, we've been seeing a lot of that standing water that Jeff was talking about on the parkways. The downpours today were relentless, and so is the traffic. I'm going to show you the Bronx River Parkway. It's a lot better than it was earlier here along the Bronx-Westchester line. One of the many roads packed with people trying to get home and having to take long, unpleasant detours. The Cross Island Parkway was just one of several parkways that became a raging river tonight. This was the Bronx River Parkway in Bronxville, and it meant limited options for people getting home this evening.
Bronx River shut down. Sprain shut down. I didn't take 287 because I figured the traffic would be nasty. Hutchinson shut down.
Rich Berrios took an extra 40 minutes to get from White Plains to Yonkers, but at least kept moving. He avoided this miserable mess on the Sawmill River Parkway in Yonkers, just north of McLean Avenue. But Jose Rivera could not. He made it to the gas station on fumes. He's driving from New Hampshire to Georgia.
Torrential downpour was all over the place in Connecticut. And when I got to the Hutchinson, that was it. I got stuck there for about 2 hours. So I have to get to Fredericksburg.
And we have not heard about any injuries tonight, but there have been a few rescues. For now, we're live in Woodlawn. Sonia Rincon, Channel 7 Eyewitness News.
Talk about a headache, Sonia.